Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just first open the box. Here we have the silicone protective clear case. The next thing, this is the USB Type-C cable, and also we have here the original Motorola charger brick with all of the specs here. And here in this paper box we have also some paperwork, the quick start guide, and the warranty cards and the safety guide, and also I have here the SIM jack tool. So that's it there, all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.